Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the present continuous tense. Explanation is used to talk about actions that happening right now. Structure is subject plus is slash am slash or plus verb ing plus complement or object. For example, I'm studying English. She's cooking biryani. They are playing football. More explanation. We can also use present continuous tense for temporary actions. Example, he is working in a bank this week. Practice sport. Now it's your turn. Try to make a sentence using the present continuous tense. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.